1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Welcome to Quiz Manager for SharePoint. In this tutorial, in these video tutorials, step by step, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Quiz Manager test environment for your students. After the solution has been deployed, after the solution has been activated and the site has been created, the first thing that you have to do in Quiz Manager is to start with categories. So just by clicking on the categories, you will create first new categories and then assign tests to categories. As well, you will say who is in charge of a category, and normally this is a person from the teachers group. You know, in Quiz Manager we have two groups, the students groups and the teachers groups, and as soon as you have created a category and assigned a test to a category, you can manage the tests, you can manage the categories, and you can assign the tests to the students. One thing to take into account is that only the persons in charge of a category are as well in charge of the tests. So you must be aware of this point. As you can see under Manage Categories, we have the name of the category. Here, for example, generic, with no test associated to generic. We have a category SharePoint 2013, and we have a category Nilesh test. So each category as well, this is new, has documents associated to this category. Let's say for SharePoint 2013 category, we can click on View Documents, and what you see here is a redirection to a document library which is associated to this category. This means that all the documents that you add here to this document library will be, you browse and then you add, will be available for the students before they can start the test. So this means that when you assign the test with documents which are associated to a category, these documents becomes available. New categories can be created by clicking New Category, and you see here, I give here the name Test Category. And now in charge, you see here that there's one person from the teachers groups, RT, and the system account, which will be in charge of that. So when I say system account and I submit, I've created a new category called test category. Test category becomes available. I can associate the documents as explained before. It can be edited, it can be deleted. And now, most importantly, you can go to tests after creating the category and after giving the person in charge for the category. And now you can here start to manage the tests. So you can create a new test. And when you create a new test, 111, you can see here that the test category is available. And you can set as well the number of days to send a reminder. This is the reminder workflow if the test has not been taken. So you can say after 10 days, if the student has not taken the test, a workflow should start and send a reminder asking the student to take the test. And now the test name 111 associated to this new category can be submitted. You are then ready to fill up the test 111 with the questions. Let's recap. Test 111, test name, category, number of days for the reminder, comments for the test which can be added, static questions, 0 random questions, the number of random questions which can be set, and so on. And other test-based, duplicating the test, assigning the test, deleting the test, and other options are available. So if you click on test, let's recap. We have created a category, we have created a test, and we have associated this test 111 to this category, and now we are ready to add questions to this test.